Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and in the channel I do budget with me, cash stuffing, saving challenges, investing, and more. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. I will absolutely love to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all the support. And in today's video, we're gonna set up my July monthly budget. So for my job, without overtime, I expect to make 2,400, and this is after my 401k contribution, my HSA contribution, also health insurance, dental, vision, and taxes. For YouTube and Epsi. For YouTube, I won't be getting a paycheck for this month because I did not reach the 100 threshold for June. And for Epsi, I already get the deposit. It's like $3.98. So we're just gonna put 3 and left the 98 cents in my bank account. And for side hustle and order, actually I already work at the convention. I already receive $297, and I also help someone with something else, and I receive 100. And I don't think I will be doing anything else for the month, so we're just gonna put 397, which I already receive. So total will be 2,400 plus 3 plus 397. So we will be working with 2,800, which is not a lot. Health insurance and health insurance for my mom, because my health insurance already took it for my paycheck, but I'm helping my mom. I pay for her health insurance. She has it from the marketplace, and I also pay for my mom's cell phone. Luckily I'm still under my dad and stepmom plan, and my mom, she has Metro PC, and she paid 30 for my monthly tip pass. It's 90. Oh, I was like reading one of my comment, and someone was saying I need to check if I can get it to my employer, the monthly pass, and it might be get some type of discount or something. Application 9, buffer. I don't think we will put anything else, because like if you have watched my June budget load out, I think I have about like 193 something buffer, so I have enough money in my checking account if something happen. And housing related, we're gonna put 660. And so I'm hoping to close at the end of this month or beginning of August. And I already went over all my account, and I think I have enough money to put close to 10%, assuming that I will need 10,000 for the closing costs. So that was like, yeah, I was really happy about that. So total will be 842, because the more I put down, the more equity I will build in front, and the less money my monthly payment will be. So we have 1,958 left to work with. Next, we're gonna do food. I think I'm just gonna do the same as last month, will be 200. Entertainment, I do have some money in that envelope / my checking account, so we're just gonna put 30. Spending, tip, we're gonna put 10. And thank you to everyone who have because in one of my previous video I asked, if you go to an all you can eat, how much do you tip? And thank you to everyone who have answered that. Spending, we're gonna do 15. Transportation and Uber, we're gonna just do 35. Dollar Tree, last month I did not go to Dollar Tree, but we're still gonna do 22. Personal care, let's do 10. Copay 10. Miscellaneous 20, and giving 40. So total will be 200 plus 30 plus 10 plus 15 plus 35 plus 22 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40, $392. Oh, did you guys see that? How much money do I have left? 1458 minus 392. We have 1566 left. Next, we're gonna do my sinking fund. Christmas. Oh my god, Christmas is coming. I think I'm like so behind in my Christmas thing. I have to do a sinking fund update. Birthday 10. I don't have any birthday coming up. Car 30. You know, I don't have a car. I will on public transportation. But now that I'm buying a house, I'm thinking I will need to get a car soon. Giveaway will get 8. Taxes, I don't think I will put anything because I did not get a YouTube paycheck. I did get an EPSI though, but it's just $3. Maybe let's just do 1. Better something. Gifts will get 10. Allowance, let's do 20. Self-care, let's do 6. Vacation, I don't have any vacation coming. 10. Shopping, I don't need anything, so we're not putting anything. Clothes, 5. I need to get the new shoes. Electronic, I will need. I like mentioned, you know, will need a computer soon. I'm still using my stepmom computer. She's okay with that for now, but you never know. And EPSI, let's put 7. PO box, we're gonna do 5, and subscription, we're gonna do 5. So what is the total? So we have 40 plus 10 plus 30 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11 plus 10 plus 20 plus 16, 10 plus 6 plus 45 plus 40 plus 7 plus 10, 239. So how much do we have left? 1566 minus 239. So we have 1327 left. Okay, for Roth IRA, actually it will be my traditional IRA, and the reason is because the loan that I apply, they do have an asset limit, and I'm trying very hard not to go over the asset limit, which is like 75,000. But they count your Roth IRA into it. They don't count your traditional IRA and your 401k. I don't think they count your HSA, but everything else, checking, saving, brokerage account, Roth IRA, they count that. And until I get the loan, I don't want to have more than 75,000 because I need to get that loan, because that loan, even though I don't put 20%, you can just put 3%, you won't have a PMI. So I need to get that loan. And my traditional IRA, we're just gonna put 400 because I think I'm almost done, finish, maxing it out. I will talk more about it in my Q2 fire asset network update. We are waiting in July. Q2 is already over. Yep, so behind. And I-bonds, let's just do 25. Saving challenge will be whatever money we have left. Minus 400, minus 25, 902. So this should be 1327, right? 400 plus 25 plus 902, 1327. And 1327, it's 0. So yep, so this is a zero-based budget, meaning I was able to give every dollar got the purpose. Yep, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which most likely be my July paycheck #1 cash stuffing. Bye, until next time, take care.